I really hope so. Let it start.
Come on, baby.
Come on, babe. You can do it. Hello, we are back with your SL. We did some research. After asking some questions, we found out that we need to check if there is any power to the dash unit. We checked that. Power is okay. We have a stable power, we have ignition power, and everything works okay. Next step for us is gonna be to remove engine control unit. By doing so, we're going to renew the ECU, we're going to virginize it, and we are going to cut it back to the car. So car gonna act that it's a completely new ECU, and in that case we will know if there is any point of doing that, and if it's not gonna work, it's possible that ECU is faulty and that there is no point of working with it. We also have additional option, but we are going to try it at the last step because it's gonna be hacky, and it's like the last chance to save this ECU. But we want to save it for last. In order to remove ECU, you have to remove this cover. It's behind it. There are 5 screws that has to be removed, and then you just simply unplug it, unscrew one screw that holds the ECU, and you pull it out. Just why? ECU is out. Now we have to put it on the table to check how to do that, how to virginize it. We have to use programmer in order to achieve that. Let's go to the office. The ECU already on the table. We have it prepared for soldering out. We have to solder out this MCU, and then we're gonna read it using this tool to do some magic. Okay, we got the MCU soldered to ECU. Now we are going to take it all back together. We are going to put it back to the car. We have to cut it in order to make it work for the car. And then we will see if it's gonna work or not. We don't even know if it's gonna work right now after soldering it out. So yeah, we will need to check that and to see if we fried something. If so, we're gonna need new ECU. Okay, we got some sounds from the engine. Maybe ECU is not exploded. Let's try to see it. Hey, there is a thing. We lost some footage. Yesterday we've been trying for, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours to code the car after we virginized the ECU. And I know what happened. To be honest, I know what happened. We missed that SD card was full and we lost some shots. So sorry about that. But we've been trying for 4 or 5 hours to code the car, nothing worked, and right now, off the camera, I was like, okay, let's try one more thing, and I received the success message, so I disconnected the PC was moved, and I was like, Rokas, grab the camera, because it's possible that we're gonna start it, because I got the success message, and I want to share that with you, so if that's gonna be success, you're gonna see that first together with us. Let's try it. What do you think?
Yeah, let's try it.
Let's go.
Maybe it will start.
Yeah. I really hope so. Let it start.
Come on, baby.
Come on, babe. You can do it. Oh, oh my god. Because I was thinking that we're gonna have to buy the emulator to remove the immobilizer or something, or replace the ECU, I don't know, and it worked. Good. Because I was asking all around the forums what to do, no one was able to help me with anything, because it's a really old car and etc. So yeah, let's let it warm a little bit. I would like to try to rev it, but I don't want to do it the cold engine. Remember, Rokas, what we said, that if it's gonna start, what we're gonna do? Yeah. We have to do some action. Damn it, that was crazy. We spent the first car trying to start it something around 2 or 3 weeks, because at first episode, when we shot it, it was, we didn't know what to do. We found faults. We were asking all around, no one was able to help us, and it was luck. Because lots of people were saying that maybe ECU is faulty and you have to change it, but I was like, let's try to make it like brand new and maybe that will work. So yeah, that's really crazy. That's the moment when we talk with our friends who works with cars, that these are the moments when you are like, you don't understand what happened. You're not going to be thrown to the trash. Junk, you're not gonna take you. Yeah, okay. Woo. I'm feeling a little bit proud of myself, because I was looking for information so long, and yeah, that's a great feeling. Rokas, what do you think? Let's get it outside, not to smoky workshop.
Now we can use the engines at all. We don't need to push it away.
Yeah, we don't need to push it away because you have to understand that we have limited space here inside, so we have to push it in, out, in, and back, and it's like, and it's really heavy car. The doors weighs, I don't know, weighs a ton. I don't know. So yeah, it's really heavy car. So I think let's close the hood and let's get outside.
Let's get outside. Let's go! Oh fuck! Where are you?
It burns good
But just the one side of the wheels.
because it's not welded. Should we try again?
Let's try.
And one more time. Kids, don't do that at home. We have closed territory and we're able to do such things without harming ourselves or anyone else. So yeah, just keep in mind, don't do that in the public roads. We have to give it a fresh air. I think that's it for today. We had a great day to finish up. It's finally running. We smoked some tires. Now it's time to take care of it, to fix the suspension and everything else. The exhaust, I can hear a little bit cranky. So yeah, we're gonna do that and stay tuned.